Oh, tilang na stolen by Bakiran. Bakiran drives legged Amigo for 2 points. Bakiran for the offense. To Amigo. To Jason. Back to Bakiran. Bakiran to Soliven. Drives Amigo. Long 2. 2 points lang yan. Last 29 seconds. Good. 2 points. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Good. To Ibarra. Last 50 seconds. Ten seconds. 3 points. Last 9 seconds. Back 3 points. Last 4 seconds. Total. 5 seconds to shoot. Good. 3 points. Terus. Tuguyod. Andres inside. 2 points. Drives. Turnaround shot. 2 points. Jordan drives again to Mejia. Mejia jump shot, no good. Rebound by Guyon. To Ibarra. To Burgos. To Pagao. Almost stolen. Pagao jump shot. 2 points. 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Andres. Wala sa kanyang possession. Mejia is now on the right. Valdez. Ayan. Mejia for the offense. Derecha, 2 points. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Andres. Inside, Nugget. Rivera for the rebound. Fast break. Luton, lace up, Nugget. Burgos for the rebound. Andres, 2 points, basket counted, there is a foul. 7 seconds to shoot, Tumira. Yeah, 2 points. 2 points for Ibama. Luton. To Pasqua, 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Soliven, jump shot, Maggie. Mejia, back to Soliven. Rivera, 2 points. Valdez ba? Valdez, sorry. Valdez. Kagawa tayo sa 3, no good. Sa kanya pa rin ang possession. Almost to swing. Down dito, 2 points. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Pasqua. Total drives. Mesa, 2 points. 12 minutes and 15 seconds. Andres. Tuwapag down. Tumama na sa Dito to Pagao, to Burgos. Burgos drives. To Ibarra. 10 seconds to shoot. Ano yan? 2 points. Burgos yan, Burgos. Mejia to Pasqua. Pasqua on 3, no good. Gambito for the rebound. Burgos to Pagao. Only 1 minute and 20 seconds tayo. Stolen by Pasqua, Derecho, Levy. Pinabos. Burgos. Drives. Inside is intercepted by Valdez. 2 points for Guto. 1 minute. Last final minute for the third quarter. Ganito. So, Goton for the possession. Rice. Basket counter. Yes. So, Yakatimes, David, Pasqua for the rebound. Pasqua to Bakiran. 3 points. Burgos. Ibarra inside, basket counter. Now Goton for the offense. Bomba. 2 points. Mabaligo ba? Masingan pa niya ngayon. Burgos. Andres. Ay, Andres Belli. Provincia ba? Provincia. Shoot. Five seconds. Andres. 2 points. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Pasqua for the offense. Bomba. 2 points. Stolen by Goton. Hindi ka forma ka siya diyatong na yung tumumba. Nagkaw to Ibarra to Andres. 2 points. 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Pasqua to Goton. Jump shot. 2 points. Ibarra. Pagkaw drives. 2 points. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Goton. 12 seconds to shoot. Bakiran. Bang!
3 yun, Neng. 3 yun.
Burgos. Stolen. Goton to Bakiran. Lays up 2 points. Like on. Barra. Andres. Pagkaw. Young 2 points lang yan. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Bomba to Bakiran. 14 seconds to shoot. Bakiran. Again. No good. To Bomba. Up. Wala. Hindi ko na makakita kung sino yung tumira. 2 points for Lihia.